Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to use snapping tools in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently upgraded from Windows 10 to 11 or you recently brought Windows 11 PC and you are wondering how to use snapping tools. In Windows 11, snapping tools has really very special features and it's very user handy. So first of all, I'm going to open my snapping tools by searching. Click on this search icon and then I'm going to type here SNIPPING and then you're going to find here snapping tools. This is the snapping tool, so I just open the snapping tools, and from here a skin going to be up here just like this, and then this is the snapping tools icon. If you decide to take a screenshot, you can just click here new, but also this is the button which way you want to take a screenshot. You can choose rectangular mode, window mode, full screen mode, or free from mode. For example, if I choose rectangular mode and then if I click here new, and then you're going to see a screen appear like this, and now whatever area I choose, that's going to be automatically come with the snapping tools, and it's going to be open the snapping tools app. Now from here, if you decide to customize this image, you can easily do that. You can choose here, there is a pen icon. You can easily choose the color, and also you can just choose the size you want. For example, I want to add something here and it's art. Also, if you want to choose a highlighter with the size and with the color, you can easily do that. For example, I choose the color this and I just highlight this area. Also, you can use this eraser tool to erase something. For example, I use the eraser tools and I would like to erase this skin. You can see it's erasing. Also, you can choose this roller to draw something in your screenshot. For example, now you can see the roller is up here. You can easily choose where you want to add the highlight or line. If I choose here pen and then I draw, I just add a single line and it's up here. Also, if you bring over down and if you want to add some highlight with different color, you can easily do with that. Also, you can choose this protector. Also, you can easily customize or resize this image with your snipping tools. For example, I just want this area, and you can easily check mark. Also, if you decide to save this image, you can just simply click here save. After click over save, you can save this image. You can save this image with png, jpeg, or gif. For example, I want to save this image with jpeg and I want to give a name abc, and then let me make here save. Also, you can save this image in clipboard, or you can easily share this image over the internet, which is really quite interesting. Let me close it completely and let me reopen this snapping tools. Now here, if I go window mode, it's going to be choose the window mode, and then if I click here new, and then it's going to be automatically take a screenshot. Now if I open it again, you're going to see this take my whole window screenshot after when I click this window mode. Also, you can choose full screen mode, and that's going to be up here with the full screen mode, and anywhere you want to take a screenshot, that's going to be take your full screen screenshot, which is really quite interesting. Also in this skin, you can choose here free from mode. Within this, if I click here new, this is the free from mode. You can easily draw any area, not like rectangular. You can choose a free from area to take a screenshot, which is really quite interesting. Also, you can choose how you would like to take a screenshot and snap in 3 seconds, or snap in 5 seconds, or snap in 10 seconds, or you would like to make it no delay, which is by default. Also, you can use this redo or undo button whenever you edit anything in your snapping tools. Also, in snapping tools, you're going to see there is a setting. Here you can see there is a bunch of setting available. You can see the snapping auto copy to clipboard, which is by default it's on. If you want to save snap, I ask to save snap every time, you can easily turn it on, but I'll keep as it is. Also, you can choose a multiply windows. Each snap open in separate window. If you want, you can easily turn this on, or you can snap outline. You can choose here snap outline how you would want. You can easily choose any color, and you can easily make the thickness how you would like to set the thickness. So every time whenever you're trying to take a screenshot, a line outline going to be appear just like this. I'm just going to turn this off, I don't need that. Also, you can see there is a you can use these snapping tools in a dark mode or light mode, which is really quite interesting. Also, you can use or open your snapping tools by pressing Win key Shift S key to open your snapping tools, and then you can easily choose how you would like to take a screenshot in your Windows 11. Also, there is another way to take open the snapping tools by pressing print screen button. If you want to do that, you need to go in Windows 11 start menu and then click here setting. After click over setting, you need to click here accessibility. After click over accessibility, scroll down and you need to click here clipboard, and then you need to click this use the print screen button to open screen snapping. So I'm going to just turn this on, and from now if I press my keyboard print screen button, you're going to see the snapping tools is going to be appear. You can easily choose or the area you want to take a screenshot. This is all how you can use snapping tools in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.